Your carpet might look clean, but did you know it could be holding dust, allergens, and even bacteria that make you sick? Carpets trap all kinds of things over time: dust, pet dander, pollen, bacteria, and even mold. These tiny particles can get stirred up every time you walk, vacuum, or play on the floor, and they can irritate your lungs, skin, and sinuses. Here's what you can do to keep your carpets from making you sick. Vacuum regularly. Use a vacuum with a strong suction and ideally a HEPA filter to capture small particles. Spot clean spills immediately. Moisture in food can encourage mold and bacteria growth. Deep clean seasonally. Steam cleaning or professional carpet cleaning helps remove trapped allergens and dust mites. Consider rugs for high traffic areas. They're easier to wash frequently than wall-to-wall carpet. And keep shoes off inside. Fewer outdoor particles tracked in equals cleaner carpets. Even small habits can drastically reduce allergens and make your home feel fresher and healthier. I'm Miranda. If this helped, be sure to subscribe for more. And for simple filter tips and giveaways, check out our Instagram or Facebook.